CATIA v5. So this will be regarding hole analysis. So we can find the following feature over here within the analysis section. If I'm going to go over here within a section, within the following plane, we're going to see that the profile of those will look as following. So keep in mind that they are all not aligned on the same line. But if you want to further analyze the holes within a part, you can easily use this feature. As you can see, within the selected part over here, if I'm going to hit analyze, we're going to have those listed. You can filter those either by the main diameter range or by depth. And you're going to have them over here as that. So within the first column, we're going to have type, name, main diameter, and main depth. So if I would, for example, change this, if I'm going to go within definition, let's say that I want this to be now changed. So this will also be simple. I'm just going to hit OK. And now I'm going to have two of those that will be simple. And we're going to see, so hole analysis, not tap analysis. As we can see, those two are quite similar. And now we're going to see over here that I now have two of those simple. So you can also change the name over here. You can also filter those by diameter or by the depth. So maybe for a part that is simple like this, just with a simple rectangle shape with those holes, this will not give you that much information, but on a more complex part, you can easily filter those and analyze them. Now, as you can see over here, I also have over here a pocket. Keep in mind that since this was just made using a simple pocket, this will not actually be seen over here as hole analysis, even though we see over here that it will go pass through that hole. So if I'm going to go, for example, on one of those holes, for example, this one, I have over here the extension to be blind or up to next. I can further increase the depth over here, let's say 25, just to be longer than the rectangle, the extruded rectangle over here. And you're going to see that they will actually go through the plate in this case. But again, with hole analysis, I will not have that one over here due to the fact that this is a simple pocket. So keep that in mind. We are working with part design that will have various hole cutouts. It's important to use the hole feature over here because this will also allow you to better control the overall profile of that cutout, but also you can further take this into analysis and better analyze those. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're gonna find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.